Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to make your PC a Bluetooth speaker. So guys, if you want to connect your mobile phone to a Bluetooth speaker to listen music and you don't have a Bluetooth speaker, you can use your PC as a Bluetooth speaker. So guys, what you have to do, you have to go to Microsoft Store and look for Bluzic app. Bluzic. So here's the app. So this app is by Shivin Srivastava. So guys, I have already installed app, so I will click the open button, and if you don't see, if you haven't installed, you have to tap the install button. So I will open the app now. If when you will open this app, you will see the screen like this. At the end of this app screen, you will find a bar. In the bar you will see few options: start receiver, Wi-Fi. So I will play this start receiver button, and it will show me the available Bluetooth devices, and I still haven't connected any device, so there's no Bluetooth device available. So on this screen you see there's not found required device. So to open the Bluetooth setting, I will click on this option and I will directly go to Bluetooth settings. Now I will tap on add device, and in add device I will tap on Bluetooth, the first option on the top, and it will show me that available Bluetooth devices. So that Mohan VGA is my phone. So what I will do, that I will choose that third option, and now I will go in my mobile phone, in my settings. In settings I will go to Bluetooth, and I will look for my laptop, and here it says server, and it's showing me the pin on the screen. It is the same what I see on that my laptop. So now I will tap the pair option on my iPhone, and I will tap on connect button on my desktop or laptop. So guys, it says connected. So that my device's mobile phone is connected to laptop via Bluetooth. Now if I now I will back go to that app. So it's on under available devices, it says Mohan VGA. I will tap on that option, Mohan VGA, and now you will see that it created a connect button. I will tap on connect button. So guys, that my mobile phone is connected to this app. Now what I will do, now I will go to YouTube and play the song of my choice. See guys, this audio is coming from the PC, not from my mobile phone. So guys, this way you can listen the songs, and you can use your PC as a speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Thanks guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.